Hey everybody, today I want to show you this new baby camera that I got. This is great for your baby's room or just a regular security camera for the living room or common room. So I love this. It is a Wi-Fi smart camera. It has two-way audio, motion detection, iCloud storage, night vision, multiple platform viewing. So this is a really great option. All you do is want to go ahead and open your camera on your phone, point it at this QR code, and it'll prompt you to download this app, and that is how you're going to access the camera. So what it comes with, it does come with this cute little camera here, all the way different rotation, up and down, all the way around, so that way you get maximum viewing of your room and your baby. It'll come with a power cord as well, so basically what you want to do is just plug that into your wall, and you plug it right here in the back, just like that. It does have a little reset button just in case you ever need to use that. So you'll want to go ahead and plug this in and then get your app downloaded. It does also come with some options for you to mount it to the wall or mount it wherever you need to.
Once you open the QR code, this is going to be the app that you're going to download. You'll go ahead and register and you'll get everything set up, go through a couple push notifications. Then you'll want to add your device. You can go ahead and pick through a couple different options here, but you want to match the camera W1. It'll take you through some step-by-step instructions on how to get it set up. Very easy, simple to use. You'll connect to your internet, and then once that's connected, you'll hold your phone actually in front of the camera, and that way they will go ahead and connect and pair. This only takes a few seconds to do. And once you're all set up, you'll see that you have the security camera option. You can even hold to talk. You can even take screenshots and pictures to save for later, or turn it sideways to get a larger picture of your camera. You will also get push notifications as you wish. You can also even record the screen. Lots of different options to do. Really great view. You can move the camera back and forth, up and down, side to side, so you get a nice clear picture of the entire room to keep an eye on your baby, again all the way to the top, so a very wide area to view. Lots of different options on the bottom toolbar. This is where you can play back your videos, look at your gallery where you store your images. You can even do motion detecting, motion tracking, change the color theme of the app, adjust your device volume. You even have a privacy mode as well as night vision. Overall, I think the night vision does very well. I think it really lights up the area that you're concentrating on, gives a night bright look, so that way you can keep track of your baby in the middle of the night to make sure that they are okay and sleeping safe and sound. Again, you can see all over the room with the wide variety of the movement of the camera. Overall, great camera, very easy to use, very simple to set up, and it looks great and can be used in any room of your home.